Alright, I'm going to do a review on the Superstars. Alright, the Superstar comes with blue pads, and it has a center track bearing in it. That's it spinning. It has a removable axle. Here is a Superstar right here. These are unengraved. They do not have a emblem on the inside. Why? They just come from the factory like that. If you ever get one of these, it's a real one. They're real. They're real Superstars. These yo-yos play very good. They do not snag the string when spinning. As you notice, you can see where the you can see if I get close up here, you can see how the wall gap right here goes all the way up to the pad and then stops, and it's just a pad there. And you have the bearing spinning area right there. So it's like got little to no snag room, just a pad there. So that's very unresponsive. Probably one of the best yo-yos I've used. I'm putting in some new bearings in these yo-yos because I bought these bearings. I bought these yo-yos online for pretty cheap. I'm gonna put some pretty good bearings in these things and make them really good. This one has original bearing in it. This one has a Spec X bearing in it. So the Spec X is like a 10 ball, but it's not like a center track. I got a CTX going to put in that one and then leave this one alone. This one right here is just fine. So yeah. This yo-yo is not as big as the Supernova. The Supernova is a tad bit bigger than this one is. But this one's very close to the same size. It's kind of small. It's not very big. It's a little bit bigger than a Deviated 8. You can change the pads in these things, but the blue pads are the original pads that are in the yo-yos. The unengraved ones, they're rare, and so I consider them to be a little bit more worth a little bit more than the regular ones. I was thinking about splashing these things, but I'm not sure how to splash them. I think that'll mess up the anodization. So yeah, thank you for watching, and by the way, to remind you, to give you an idea how long these yo-yos will spin, I did a spin test, and the spin test was for the Yo-Yo Factory shutter. It was actually 4:09, so 4 minutes and 9 seconds, and then for the Superstar it was 4:35. So I mean, it was 30 seconds more than the shutter, so it was a little bit faster yo-yo. If I upgrade the bearing, it'll probably spin way more faster. Well, thanks for watching.